How to see deleted search history on Facebook. This tutorial will explain what happens when you clear your Facebook search history and whether it can be recovered. First, open the Facebook app and tap the search icon at the top of the screen. Then tap on your recent searches to view your search history. Simple. You've had a bunch of searches. The See All button over here, and then tap on it. Here you have tapped Clear All, and again tap Clear All. It removed your Facebook search history. It's important to know that Facebook currently does not provide an option to recover deleted search history. Unlike some Facebook content, such as posts or photos that may have recovery options for a limited time, deleted search history is permanently removed from your account once it is cleared. You can still manage and view your existing search activity before deleting it, but after the history has been cleared, there is currently no official way to restore or view those deleted Facebook searches. So, if you were searching for a way to recover deleted Facebook search history, unfortunately, Facebook does not offer that feature at this time. And that's all you need to know about deleted Facebook search history. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.